Because I would be very, very racist if I make you know what it is.
English.
Yeah. You all look different, but we have more than just
Yeah, we're not talking.
And five
Yeah, I'm alone.
I'm always working on cards.
Is
This
it?
starting business.
Yeah.
But if you can give me your card, I can buy from you on a regular basis.
Is it?
But I'm not joking. We deal with these guys.
Yeah.
They do traders and cards.
How many users do you maybe need in a month?
We now just stop it.
Yeah.
I do motors, I do customs, anything. Do automating the car, I do welding in the car, bolt-ups.
You do a lot of stuff, eh?
Bolt furniture.
Yeah. I understand.
But our electricity.
And electricity as well.
Yeah. The guy came yesterday and the inspector said, yeah, you are, I say, like your work, it's very neat. I said, thank you very much for the compliment. Yeah, are you Red Seal? I said, yes. I've got 7 qualifications, trades, qualified, and I'm international.
Is it?
7 I've got Red Seal.
Yeah.